Hi everyone, my name is Paul DeLon, and I'm the chair of the Department of History at the University of Vermont. I wanted to take a moment to congratulate you on the completion of your degree. You've worked hard over the past 4 years, and we're very proud of your accomplishments and the amount of effort you've put into completing your degree. We hope that you'll stay in close contact with us as you move forward with your lives, and we hope that you'll come back and visit the University of Vermont as frequently as possible. Remember the importance of history as you go forward in the world, and remind those people you encounter of just why a history degree matters and the wonderful skills that you've acquired over the last 4 years. In addition to this brief message, I also wanted to remind you that there are 2 additional messages on the college graduation website that are specifically geared to students in history. One of those messages is from Lonnie Bunch, who is the Secretary of the Smithsonian Institutions, and the other is from Mary Lindeman, who is the President of the American Historical Association. I hope that you'll take a brief moment to look at these messages, and I hope that you will all find a way to celebrate that's appropriate in these difficult times. I wish you well in the future, and I hope that you'll stay in touch. Thanks.